Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've been following our series, you already know we're here to help you master the UK hazard perception test step by step. In our previous videos, we've learned some really important habits. Remember, always click twice when you spot a hazard to make sure your response is recorded. And also don't click too many times because that can actually make your attempt invalid. We have also talked about staying alert throughout the entire clip because hazards can develop quickly and sometimes from places you don't even expect. The key is to look ahead, scan your surroundings, and recognize anything that could make you change your speed or direction. And this video is extra special because for the first time, we'll be facing two developing hazards in a single attempt together. All right, so here we go. The clip starts and we're driving down a two-way road. There's an incoming car in the opposite lane. Looks normal. No problem here. A few more vehicles come by, all staying in their own lane. Still safe. Nothing to click here. Remember, we only click when something actually develops into a hazard. Now, up ahead, there's a crossroad. I can see a red car on the right. Looks like it's coming into my lane. That's definitely developing into a hazard. Click, click. I reacted there because it's entering my path and I would need to slow down. Moving forward again. Everything's calm for a few seconds, but wait. There's a cyclist ahead, and look, he's raising his arms to signal a turn. That's another developing hazard, because now I have to adjust my speed to let him turn safely. Click, click, got it. The click continues a bit further. And that's the end. So we had two potential hazards in this one, the red car cutting in, and the cyclist signaling to turn. Let's go ahead and review our clicks. All right, let's review what just happened. The first hazard was the red car that came into a lane from the right at the crossroad. You can see that the moment it started moving across, that's when the hazard began to develop. And that's exactly when I clicked. If I'd been too early or about slowing clicking, I would have missed the scoring window. Here comes our second hazard, the cyclist signaling with his arm to make a turn. As soon as he raised his hand, I clicked again. That was the right time to see and react because that's the point where I needed to reduce my speed or change direction to avoid any collision. Both hazards were recognized correctly and within the scoring window, meaning I would have earned full marks for both. The key here was to stay alert even after spotting the first hazard. So what did we learn today? That in some clips, you can have more than one hazard and missing the second one could cost you valuable marks. So here's our new tip for today. Never drop your focus after spotting a hazard. Keep scanning the road ahead because sometimes the second hazard appears right after the first. And that's what separates an average score from a perfect one. Remember, click twice when you spot a hazard, but don't overclick. Keep it controlled. Stay alert from the start to the very end of the clip. And today's new tip, always expect a second hazard. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next test video. See you in the next one, and good luck with your practice.